Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce training class. So in today class I'm gonna show you how we can create the lightning app page. And in previous classes I already told you how we can create the home page, how we can create the record page, as well as how we can edit record page and home pages. And I already told you how we can use the lightning app builder. So today I'm gonna show you how we can create the app page. So let's talk about the what is an app page. So app page is a one page app for lightning experience and mobile, and it's used for the internal or third party apps. So we can put apps together on a single page, and it's a very useful for the for the custom lightning pages that work together. And we put multiple components, custom components here, and work together. We don't have need to jump one tab to another tab. So whenever we have need to do we have need to do things together on a single page. So in that case we can use the lightning app page. So now it's time to see like how we can create the app pages. So let's see how we can create the app page. So here I am in my org, and I'm gonna search for the lightning app builder. Okay, here is the lightning app builder. Just click over here and click on new. So whenever we click on new button, it's asking about like what we want to create. So if you want to create app page, then select the app page, then home, otherwise home page or record page. So for this time I want to create a app page. So click on app page for next, and then here give the name. So I'm gonna give the name, just give the name like custom app page, and next. And now it's asking about the template. So we have many templates here, and we can choose one of them. So you can according to your need, you can decide like which kind of template you need, and you can choose from here. So I'm gonna choose yeah, header and to region, and finish. So now I am on my lightning app builder page, and as I told you, this is here is the all standard and custom component. In component section we can check for the all standard and custom components, as well as if we have any we have installed any app from the app actions, we can see here. And this is the toolbar, this showing the name here. From here we can check the last modified pages, and this is showing our page name. So let's add some component here. And one more thing, when we creating the lightning app page, we can also create the actions. Means we can here we can create some button which help us to perform operations directly. Like we can create the contact, we can create the account, we can log the call directly from the app page. So we will see all these things. First let's add some component here. So I have some components on here in custom section. So you can also add the standard component as well as custom component. So I'm gonna select some custom component here, and let's add some component here. And what more component. Okay, and this is not applicable for here. let's add this. So this is the way how we can add the components, and if you want to add some more component you can add here. So this is the way like how we can add the custom components, as well as we can also add some standard components. So if you want to add any flow, you can add here. Okay, so if you want to add any flow, you can also add the flow. And one more thing I have to show. I already told you how we can add the filters and all things. Now it's time to add some actions. So here you can see it's showing the name of the page, and then developer name, then page type. So here you can see we have our page is app page, and here is the showing the template. If you want to change the template, you can directly change the template from here. Like if you want to switch the template, you can choose any other template, and then you can done. So your template has been changed. You can see the canvas, our arrangement has been changed. So this is the way like how we can change the template and things when you while you working and you feel like I have to change the template, so you can do from here. And let's it's time to add some action. So let's add some action. So I'm gonna add log a call, contact, new case. So we can perform all these actions directly from the app page. We can create new contact from the app page, we log a call, we can create new event, new case from directly from the app page. So we have facility here to like we can do all the directly from the our app page. So now it's time to save the thing. So let's save the page. Now it's asking about the activation, like whom I want to assign, and also it's asking about the icon. So you can set icon for your page. I'm gonna select this one, and here is the name. Now we have here two options, like page activation, for whom you want to activate this page. So if you want to activate for all user, you can select this. If you if you want to active for only the system administrator, like if you design this page for only for the system administrator profile, like who one is the system administrator can check the things here directly. So you can choose this. For now I'm just activating for all users, and click on the save. And 1 second, as well as let's check the app. So for which app I want to assign this app page, so select the school as well as sales app. Okay, for two apps I want to assign this app page and mobile navigation. So if you want to add the mobile navigation, you can add. So it's showing something like that in mobile view, and click on save. Okay, so our activation has been done. Now save this. Okay, our page has been saved successfully. It's time to check the things. So let's go back and refresh our page, searching for school. Okay, so I'm in my school app and I have to search for our app. So I have to search custom app page. It's not showing here. Let's search here. Custom app page. Okay, so see the page which I have created, it's here. This is the header where it's showing the page name, and logo, and here is the actions. Remember, I have select some actions, so that action is here and remaining action is here. So log call, new contact, new event, so here new case, new lead. So we can directly perform this operation here, like we can directly create new account, a new contact from here, and as well as log a call. So as well as I can create a new event. So this is the facility, we can do it directly from here. And these are the component which I added over here, over on our app page. So this is all about like how we can create a custom app page and use it to put the components together. So that's all in this video. We will meet in another video. Till then, bye, take care.